Okay, so it says Brendan lets out 350 meters of kite string. He estimates that the angle between the string and the ground is 30 degrees. Okay, so he's let out a kite string. The string is touching the ground, okay? This is the ground, and it says that the angle between the string and the ground is 30 degrees. So this angle is 30 degrees. And he lets out 350 meters of string. So this is the kite string. And it's 350 meters. What are we trying to find here? The vertical height of the kite. So here's the kite. So how high is it from the ground? This is the height, the vertical height of the kite from the ground. Forms a 90-degree angle, right? We have, in reference to this angle, first step, label your sides. The height would be what? Adjacent, hypotenuse, opposite, what is it? Good, this is opposite because it's opposite that angle. And 350 is the hypotenuse or adjacent side? Hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. So we have H and O. Which ratio? Sine, oops. So, TOA, opposite, and hypotenuse is the sine ratio, yes. You'll start to memorize them the more you do this. So, okay, we're trying to find height though. So we have sine. What comes after the ratio always? We have the angle. You don't have to put a variable. This is angle X, but we know that it's 30 degrees. That's equal to what? What's opposite? We don't know. Let's call this X. What's hypotenuse? Okay, so in this question, we're trying to find a side length. Earlier, we tried to find an angle. Now we're trying to find a side length. Cross multiply. This is a ratio. What's 1 times X? X. What's sine 30 times 350? You have to punch this in on your calculator. Again, you have to make sure you do it in the correct order. Some calculators, you have to type 30 sine times 350. Other calculators, you might have to type sine 30 and then multiply by 350. Okay, so if you multiply sine 30 times 350, what is X equal to? What'd you get? 175 what? Meters. Does that make sense? Yes.